guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West clothing subscription unboxing, and it is a full bag again this month. Got a little crumbled in there, but you get a little slip that itemizes everything so you know how much it costs if you want to keep it. There's a label on the back side in case you don't want to keep something. You just mail it back and you're not charged. So normally they're all sealed, but this time they weren't, which is fine. That way I don't have to rip through anything. But it looks like we got a ton of stuff. I got some questions in the comments. Why do you get so many bundles? I do get these sent free for review. So that's maybe why. There has been an increase in the amount of clothing I get. So that could possibly be why. Just to give you guys a better idea of what you would get. So here's the first top. Has some really pretty flowers on the sleeve. It's an off the shoulder, nice flowy shirt. Looks like it might be a little short on me. I do try these on, obviously, and wear the clothes, but I do not do that on camera. I will put the full body shots of the pictures. Full pictures, I guess I should say, not body shots, so that you can see what the clothing looks like. So next we have a skirt. It is a corduroy type material with some buttons down the front. That is a large, so that probably would fit. That's nice. Just a simple color that would go with anything, and that might look cute with that previous shirt. Then we have this is cute. So we have real thin spaghetti straps, goes in a V-neck, buttons down, nice little kind of splattered flower print. And it's real long so that you can tie it. I'm really bad at that, but it'll be a knot in the front. I'll try to insert a picture of that. So that's interesting. Pretty good so far. And those are my earrings. I imagine the rest of the jewelry, yeah, it's kind of wrapped in there, I think. Or maybe that's just a tag. We'll find it either way. Next up, a long, tight-fitting dress, and it has like this little, is that the front of it? Yeah. So you just slip that over your head, I guess, so it kind of like hugs it. I like that cut. And then it's off the shoulder with the sleeves. That would be interesting. Just a solid color, but it has a lot going on. And then we have some really nice flowy pants. Very soft, pinkish color. I'm not quite sure what you would call this. But it has elastic. There's a little bow. And it's just real flowy, baggy. Those look like really comfy pants. Also have a striped jacket, I would call it. There's no buttons or anything on it. Black and white stripes. Thick collar that you can kind of roll back. It's interesting. And I know I've talked about this in other videos, but you do fill out a profile and you could put, you know, the styles and patterns and stuff you like. That way they try to tailor it to you. This is very pretty. I like a lot of black and white. I'm a very plain person. So this one is another wide off the shoulder shirt, flowy sleeves. And then just like that previous shirt, not the very last one, but one of the beginning ones, it has a thing where you can tie it so there's a bow in the front. Gotten a lot of those with the bows in the front lately. So I like that. It adds a little something to it. Ooh, this is fun. Long pencil skirt. Very cool pattern. I like that a lot. Little touch of color. And the last clothing item is a very cute dress. So it's probably going to be a little low cut, but really pretty blue color, and it has a little ruffle going down the side of it, and it kind of scrunches up, so I bet that would be really pretty on. Let's take a look at the jewelry. So I always get a pair of earrings. a necklace, and a bracelet. So this is the necklace. That's very interesting looking. A little heavy, but I bet that looks really pretty on. Like silver a lot. Then we have a simple silver bracelet as well. Perhaps the lighting's better at this angle. So I've gotten in the past some jewelry with this design on it. So that's really cool. And it's one of those that you kind of just press down to unhook it. And that definitely would fit on my wrist. I have pretty small wrists. And then earrings that might match. Let's see. Yeah, they're solid silver. And those are real nice. It's reflecting blue off the shirt I'm wearing, but they're just plain silver. There we go. It's a better view of them. So those are really cute. So I will go ahead and insert the pictures. If you guys are interested in signing up for a subscription, I have a promo code that gives you free shipping. And I also have a playlist in case you want to check it out, see what kind of stuff they sent me in the past. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.